Hello everyone. This video lecture is outcome of a combined effort of a teacher and a student. So I'm fortunate enough to share this platform with such a student who is actually an inspiration to all other students because time and again he has shown his caliber and is continuously striving to do his best. He has outshined in his 10th board by scoring A1 grade in 5 subjects including computer. In true sense, he has come out with flying colors. And same approach he is applying in his 12th board by giving each subject equal importance. He is one who has understood the concept of time management. He knows which subject can help him to score more with less effort. Hence, Pratham Thakur has started his race towards same and frame MCQs of chapter number 1, creating HTML form using Composer. A wake up call for every other student.
Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this new session of computer in which we would be revising chapter number 1, that is creating HTML form using Composer of class 12 through important MCQs which would be helpful for you in board exam preparation as well. I thank Nuzat ma'am to give me a chance to make a video on the social platform like YouTube. So let's get started. Question number 1.
Which of the following is a container used to collect different kinds of inputs from the user? Is it option A form? Is it option B web page? Is it option C text? Or is it option D input? Answer is option A form. Question number 2. Which of the following element is used to create an HTML form? Is it option A text area? Is it option B form? Is it option C select an option? Or is it option D input? Answer is option B form. Question number 3. Which of the following is the tag used to implement form element? Is it option A? Is it option B? Is it option C? Or is it option D? Here you have to remember starting and ending tags and how they are started and how they are ended. So answer is option A. Question number 4. Which of the following attribute of form is used to specify where to send the form data when the form is submitted? Is it option A method? Is it option B action? Is it option C submit? Or is it option D input? Answer is option B action. Question number 5. Which of the following attribute of form specifies the HTTP method to be used when sending the data? Option A submit, option B action, option C method, or option D input. Answer is option C method. Question number 6. Which of the following values are used by method attribute? Is it option A get and post? Is it option B get and set? Is it option C get and put? Or option D set and post? Answer is A get and post. Question number 7. Which of the following methods allow only a limited amount of information to be sent at a time? Is it option A get? Is it option B post? Is it option C set? Or is it option D put? Answer is option A get. Question number 8. Which of the following method sends the data as a block through the HTTP transaction? Option A get, option B set, option C put, or option D post. Answer is option D post. Question number 9. Which of the following attribute of the input element specifies the field that is to be created in the form? Is it option A input? Is it option B type? Is it option C name? Or option D value? Answer is option B type. Question number 10. Which of the following element allows multi-line text input? Option A form, option B input, option C image, or option D text area. Answer is option D text area. Question number 11. Which of the following element is used to create a drop down list or menu in a form? Is it option A input? Is it option B text area? Is it option C select? Or is it option D form? Answer is option C select. Question number 12. Which of the following is a free open source web development IDE? Option A HTML, option B Composer, option C Skite, or option D Base. Answer is option B Composer. Question number 13. Which of the following stands for WYSIWYG? Is it option A when you see is when you get? Option B where you see is where you get? Option C what you see is what you get? Or option D when you see is what you get? Answer is option C what you see is what you get. Question number 14. What is the default value for method attribute of form element? Option A get, option B post, option C both A and B, or option D none of these. Here C and D are options to confuse you. Answer is option A get. Question number 15. Which attribute is used to specify the default value of the text field in the HTML form? Option A name, option B value, option C type, or option D initial value. Answer is option B value. Question number 16. Which of the following is an example of open source IDE? Option A Composer, option B Eclipse, option C JBuilder, or option D all of this. Answer is option D all of this. Question number 17. Which of the following toolbar is not available in Composer? Is it option A Preview toolbar? Is it option B Format toolbar 1? Option C Format toolbar 2? Or option D Composite toolbar? Answer is A Preview toolbar. Question number 18. In Composer, which key is used to close Site Manager? Option A F2, option B F5, option C F7, option D F9. Answer is option D F9. It is an important question. Question number 19. In Composer, which toolbar is used to create a new file, open a file, save a file, or publish a web page? Option A Composition toolbar, option B Format toolbar 1, option C Format toolbar 2, or option D all of this. Answer is option A Composition toolbar. Here all of this is to confuse you. Question number 20. Which option is used to check the checkbox to keep the option checked when the form loads in web page? Option A select initially, option B initially selected, option C show initially, or option D display initially. Answer is B initially selected. Question number 21. In Composer, which menu option is used to insert an input text field in the form? Is it option A insert form field, option B form format field, option C insert form field, or option D insert text field? Answer is option C insert form field. Question number 22. In Composer, generally file is saved with which extension? Option A .html, option B .htm, option C A or B, and option D none of these. Answer is option C A or B. Question number 23. In Composer, we want any option of the radio button selected when the form is loaded. Then the checkbox in front of which text should be selected in form field property dialog box. Is it option A initial value, option B default value, option C prime value, or option D initially selected? Answer is option D initially selected. Question number 24. In Composer, which menu option is used to give a background color in the form? Option A insert page color and background, option B format page color and background, option C view page color and background, or option D file page color and background. Here you just have to remember the menu. Answer is option B format menu page color and background. Question number 25. Which tab is used to design or format the web page in Composer? Option A design, option B split, option C source, or option D all of this. Answer is option A, design. Question number 26. Which element is used to create a drop-down list or menu in a form of HTML? Option A, select element. Option B, option element. Option C, pull down element. Or option D, body element. Answer is option A, select element. Question number 27. Which is the default background color of the form made in Composer? Here many will get right. Option A, white. Option B, black. Option C, light blue. Or option D, yellow. Answer is as simple as that. Option A, white. Question number 28. In form, which input element can be used to enter comment, report, or a long description of a product? Option A, select element. Option B, option element. Option C, long text element. Or option D, text area element. Answer is option D, text area element. Question number 29. Which of the following is an attribute of input tag of HTML form? Is it option A, type? Is it option B, name? Is it option C, value? Or option D, all of this? Answer is option D, all of this. Question number 30. Composer software can be downloaded from which of the following website? Option A, www.composer.in. Option B, www.composer.org. Option C, www.composer.edu. Or option D, www.composer.net. Here you have to remember top level domain like .in, .org, .edu or .net. Answer is option D, www.composer.net. Question number 31. What is the full form of CSS? Option A, cascading standard sheet. Option B, copy standard style. Option C, cascading style sheet. Or option D, copy style sheet. Answer is option C, cascading style sheet. Question number 32. In HTML form, clicking on which of the following button, the value of data entered in the form are cleared and set back to default values? Option A, reset. Option B, on submit. Option C, submit. Or option D, on click. Answer is option A, reset. Question number 33. In Composer, which of the following tab is available on the left side of page pane? Option A, design. Option B, split. Option C, source. Or option D, all of this? Answer is option D, all of this. Question number 34. How many viewing modes are there on the edit mode toolbar of Composer? Is it option A, 6? Is it option B, 3? Is it option C, 4? Or option D, 2? Answer is option B, 3. Question number 35. In Composer, which menu option is used to open a file that has been opened recently? Option A, file web pages. Option B, file recent page. Option C, file page list. Or option D, file form list? Answer is option B, file recent page. Question number 36. In Composer, which menu option is used to insert a label in form? Is it option A, form field? Is it option B, format label? Is it option C, form define label? Or option D, insert label? Answer is option C, form define label. Question number 37. Which of the following is not a section of form field properties dialog box of Composer? Option A, field type. Option B, field setting. Option C, form name. Option D, none of this? Answer is option C, form name. None of this is given here to confuse you. Question number 38. Generally, in HTML form, which input element is used to select multiple items from a given group of items? Option A, text box. Option B, radio button. Option C, checkbox. Or option D, password? Answer is option C, checkbox. Question number 39. Which tool of Composer is used to give rapid access of the files on both local machine and remote servers? Option A, Site Manager. Option B, Page Manager. Option C, Document Manager. Or option D, none of these. Answer is option A, Site Manager. Question number 40. Which toolbar is used to format text, add bullets, numbering, and perform similar formatting operations? Is it option A, Format Toolbar 1? Is it option B, Format Toolbar 2? Is it option C, Composition Toolbar? Or option D, both A and B? Answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 41. How many attributes are used by form elements? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, or option D 5. Answer is option A 2. Question number 42. Which of the following keys should be pressed a few times to give some space to work on a form? Option A, Escape. Option B, Page Down. Option C, Enter. Or option D, Space Bar. Answer is option C, Enter. Question number 43. What is the full form of IDE? Option A, Integrated Development Environment. Option B, International Development Environment. Option C, Indian Development Environment. Or option D, Integrated Document Environment. Answer is option A, Integrated Development Environment. Question number 44. What should remain same for all possible answers while creating radio button? Option A, field value. Option B, group name. Option C, field selected option. Or option D, initially selected option. Answer is option B, group name. Question number 45. Which of the following is not an example of open source IDEs? Option A, NetChain. Option B, Eclipse. Option C, NetBeans. Or option D, JBuilder. Answer is option A, NetChain. Question number 46. Which of the following attributes are used in text area element in HTML form? Is it option A, Coles roles? Option B, rows codes? Option C, rows cols? Or option D, codes roles? Answer is option C, rows and cols, that is rows and columns. Question number 47. Which of the following dialog box is viewed when user clicks save button first time in Composer? Option A, save all. Option B, save as. Option C, close all. Or option D, page title. Answer is option D, page title. Question number 48. Which of the following viewing modes are there in edit mode toolbar of Composer? Option A, normal, HTML tag, preview. Option B, normal, source, split. Option C, normal, CSS tag, view. Or option D, design, split and source code. Answer is option A, normal, HTML tag, preview. Question number 49. Which of the following are viewed when user open form properties dialog box in Composer? Is it option A, form name, action URL, method? Option B, field name, method URL, label? Option C, action URL, method, field? Or option D, field name, action URL, method? Answer is option A, form name, action URL, method. Question number 50. Which of the following icon is shown on composition toolbar in Composer? Option A, bold. Option B, save. Option C, body text. Option D, auto number. Answer is option B, save. Question number 51. Where does the page title displayed in the browser window when it is viewed in the browser? Option A, menu bar. Option B, status bar. Option C, main document. Option D, title bar. Answer is option D, title bar. Question number 52. In Composer window, which tab of edit mode toolbar should be clicked to view source code of recently created form? Option A design, option B preview, option C source, or option D normal. Answer is option C source. Question number 53. Generally, which input element is used to select a single item from a given group of items? Option A text box, option B checkbox, option C radio button, option D password. Answer is option C radio button. Question number 54. From the following, who allows more interactivity and control in data entry? Option A HTML form, option B HTML table, option C HTML report, or option D all of this. Answer is option A HTML form. All of this given here is to confuse. Question number 55. Which menu is used to change page title in the website created in Composer? Option A format page title and properties, option B format heading, option C insert heading, option D insert page title and properties. Here with menu you have to remember the dialog box which is used to change the title. Answer is option A format page title and properties. Question number 56. From the following, which option is not in form properties dialog box of Composer? Option A form name, option B action URL, option C method, option D field value. Answer is option D field value. Question number 57. In Composer, which menu option is used to view the different toolbars and status bar? Option A view show hide, option B edit show hide, option C insert menu, or option D edit display. Here viewing the different toolbars, so answer is option A view show hide. Question number 58. In Composer, which of the following viewing mode edit mode toolbar offers the page view as seen in a browser? Option A normal view, option B HTML text view, option C preview mode, or option D print view. Answer is option C preview mode. Question number 59. Which colored outline is seen in form when inserted in Composer? Option A green colored, option B yellow colored, option C light blue colored, or option D red colored. Answer is option C light blue colored. Question number 60. Which toolbar is used to give heading 1 style to the heading of the form? Option A format toolbar 1, option B format toolbar 2, option C composition toolbar, or option D status bar. Answer is option A format toolbar 1. Question number 61. Which type of input element will convert typed characters into non-readable format? Option A password, option B checkbox, option C text, option D reset. You have seen that password are in bold asterisks. So answer is option A password. Question number 62. In Composer, when we click on any item in page, its structure appears in which toolbar? Option A composite, option B status bar, option C format toolbar 1, option D format toolbar 2. Answer is option B status bar. Question number 63. Which dialog box appears when we click on File New to create a new file? Option A create a new document or template, option B create a new document, option C create a new web page, or option D create a new file or web page. Answer is option A create a new document or template. Question number 64. In HTML, which of the following element is not used to create a form? Option A form, option B input, option C image, or option D text area. Answer is option C image. Question number 65. In edit mode toolbar of Composer, which of the following viewing mode is not available? Option A preview, option B web page, option C HTML text, or option D, normal? Answer is option B, web page. Question number 66. In HTML form, which tag is used to implement input element? Option A, form element. Option B, input element. Option C, execute element. Option D, type element. Answer is option B, input element. Question number 67. To keep the checkbox checked, which option is selected when the form loads in Composer? Option A, initially checked. Option B, selected list. Option C, initially load. Or option D, by default. Answer is option A, initially checked. Question number 68. Which of the following will show a blank untitled web page in Composer? Option A, edit mode toolbar. Option B, format toolbar 1. Option C, site manager. Or option D, page pane. Answer is option D, page pane. Question number 69. Which attribute is used to specify where to send the form data when the form is submitted, and what will be the value of it? Option A, method get. Option B, method post. Option C, action get. Or option D, action file name. Answer is option D, action file name. Question number 70. Which tab shows all details of HTML code that helps in editing the source code on the left side of page pane of Composer? Is it option A, design? Is it option B, split? Is it option C, source? Or option D, all of this? Answer is option C, source. Question number 71. Normal mode is similar to which mode? Option A, HTML text. Option B, preview. Option C, source. Option D, design. Answer is option B, preview. Question number 72. What is the full form of GUI? Option A, Graphical Unified Interface. Option B, Grant Unit Interface. Option C, Graphical User Interface. Or option D, all of this? Answer is option C, Graphical User Interface. Question number 73. Which pathway do we have to follow to insert a form field in Composer? Option A, insert form field. Option B, insert form field. Option C, form field. Option D, form insert field. Answer is option B, insert form field. Question number 74. Which color marker is used to indicate the start tag for all elements? Is it option A, red? Is it option B, yellow? Is it option C, blue? Or option D, none of this? Answer is option B, yellow. Question number 75. Which is a powerful tool used to navigate within sites or between two sites? Option A, status bar. Option B, page area. Option C, site manager. Or option D, edit mode toolbar. Answer is option C, site manager. That's all for this video. Thank you for being a nice audience. I once again thank Nusrat ma'am to allow me to make a video on YouTube and to guide you all. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Pratham. So now, today's task for other students event. Description box contain link for online test. Solve it and post your mark in the comment section of this video lecture. Get going everyone. That is all for the day. Thanks everyone.